Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, in this video, I am going to share a very beautiful, elegant, and decent collection of colorful hand embroidered butterfly designs. These are DIY type of embroidery patterns. You can use these patterns for making the different combinations of butterfly. The thread which you can use for making these patterns is anchored DMC or silky threads. And one more request, guys, that if you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Now, guys, let's move back to the video. Whatever design, whichever color combination you like, you can use these very beautiful patterns of butterfly along with the floral combinations or 3D type of patterns for making cushion covers, pillow covers, for embroidering these patterns onto your bed sheets, onto your towels. Apart from the home decor, you can make them for designing your biblical dresses. Even you can make these as floral embroidery motifs onto your shirts, t-shirts, onto your denim mini dresses, denim fabrics, denim jackets, jeans as well. So the scope is not only limited to this, but you can also design these floral beautiful patterns of hand embroidery onto your accessories like mobile covers, like vanity bags, handbags, even handmade shoes also, as more many dimensions could be explored as per your choices. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for new and more upcoming and beautiful and creative content. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah. Don't forget to leave comments. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to share.